Welcome to another video from Siam Legal. I'm your host, Pod, and today I'll be sharing everything you need to know about starting a divorce in Thailand. Separating from your spouse is a big decision, and the divorce process can be long and complicated. So it's natural to be unsure where to start. If you and your spouse have a child, a business, or assets that you both invest in, this can make the divorce process long and complicated. This video will cover the basics of getting divorced in Thailand and how to easily initiate it. To begin, there are two types of divorces: uncontested and contested. You first need to determine which one you will pursue. If you and your spouse agree to the divorce without opposing the terms, this will be known as uncontested divorce. Here you agree on the separation of property, alimony arrangements, and child custody, if applicable. However, if you cannot agree on those divorce terms, a contested divorce takes place that you will need to be ruled on by Thai court. This is, of course, the harder of the two divorces to go through. To streamline the experience, having a Thai family lawyer is essential, regardless of which kind of divorce you are filing. A skilled family lawyer will help you draft a divorce agreement that is fair, thorough, and acceptable to the Thai government. A family lawyer is needed even more if you are going through a contested divorce. They will advise you on which steps to take in the next divorce and represent your case in court to fight for your desired outcome. Since court proceedings are conducted in Thai, they can speak on your behalf and handle the translation of any required documents. After hiring a lawyer, the next step is gathering the required documents. For uncontested divorces, you need to submit an original marriage certificate, also known as Koro 3. If you or your spouse is a Thai national, a Thai ID card and house registration booklet are both required. Foreign nationals will need to provide a passport and a legalized translation of the biodata page. With the required documents and a divorce agreement ready, head down to the local district office with your spouse to file and register your divorce certificate. For contested divorces, however, is another matter altogether. It involves undertaking extra steps, having to justify your reasons for moving forward with the divorce and bringing it to the attention of the Thai court. Start by evaluating all the evidence you have in favor of the divorce. Request your family lawyer to review and ensure these reasons fully justify ending your marriage in the eyes of the Thai court. You will also need to acquire some photocopies of various documents for the process. With contested divorces, there are certain grounds for divorce that you must present as the reason for the separation. Having a convicted felon for a spouse, finding out that your partner has committed adultery, or if they pose a threat to your health and well-being are some acceptable reasons for a divorce. Your next step is to submit your case, also known as pleading, to the Thai court for a judge to review. Here, you also need to make certain payments, including the court fees and court delivery fee. In cases involving a child under age of majority, you, your spouse, and your child must attend Child Objection and Observation Center. Your spouse will also be summoned to the court so they understand the situation they are in and have opportunity to defend themselves against the allegations made. If they fail to respond, then your divorce petition is ruled as a success. Afterward, a pre-trial is hosted. Here you can provide all grounds for the divorce and your partner has a chance to provide a written testimony before a proper hearing. If you and your partner manage to come to a compromise over a contested issue during the pre-trial, the judge will assess all evidence. If they deem the statement to be fair, they will close the case and the divorce will proceed as intended. If there is no compromise between you and your spouse, then you and your spouse need to attend a hearing. The judge will review your case and partner's testimony to determine the outcome according to the Thai law and issue a response within 30 days after the last court pleading. This time frame also gives your partner time to appeal. If no appeal is made, the judge will move forward with the final decision. Before going through a divorce process, reach out to Siam Legal's family law team. Our lawyers have the knowledge and experience needed to draft a divorce agreement for uncontested divorces that ensure a smooth and fair separation. Should you be going through a contested divorce, we can plan and implement a legal strategy that fights for your rights and property and ensure a favorable outcome for you and your family. That's all for our video today. If you found it informative, like and subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for more updates on divorces in Thailand. Once again, I'm your host, Pod, and thank you for watching our video.